Hello friends, welcome to our engineering graphics YouTube channel. Friends, in this session, we are going to solve a problem based on development of lateral surface of hexagonal pyramid. And the problem statement is, a hexagonal pyramid of base 30 mm, axis height 75 mm is resting on HP with side of base parallel to vertical plane. Draw development of lateral surface of the pyramid. Now friends, we know that hexagonal pyramid is made up from the bottom plane is hexagonal shape and the edges are bounded by a 6 isosceles triangle. Now here in this problem statement one condition is given and the condition is the side of base of the hexagonal pyramid is parallel to vertical plane. Now we have to satisfy this condition. Now for this problem we required a and front view and top view of this pyramid. So draw the xy line first, xy, and see the position. By using freehand, just assume the position and try to draw the freehand's top view position for this problem. Now here, if you draw a hexagonal shape like that. Now in this case, this is the wrong position for this problem because the condition is given is the edges are parallel to vertical plane, but you can see these four edges are inclined to vertical plane and these two edges are perpendicular to the vertical plane. So this is the wrong position for this problem. Now the correct position for this problem is this one. Now here these four edges are inclined but these two edges are parallel to the vertical plane. So this is the correct position for this problem. If the same problem data and the condition is one of the side of base is perpendicular to vertical plane, at that time the correct position for perpendicular case is first one. But in this problem, the base edge is parallel to VP. So the second condition is correct for this problem. Now the base edge distance is given 30 mm. Draw top view first. Draw top view of a hexagonal pyramid. 30 mm is the base edge distance is given. Mark 60-degree angle from both ends of this line. 60. Draw the vertical line. Thin vertical lines. Draw 60-degree angle line by using thin line. With the help of circle, you can draw the hexagonal plane. Now take a compass, take a rounder and measure 30 mm distance and mark an arc on the both side of this line. Now this is your A, B, C, D, E and F. Join AB by using thick line. Join CD. Join DE, EF and FA. Here is all the extras. This is a top view. This is not a top view of a pyramid, but this is a top view of a prism. So here in the problem statement, pyramid is asked. So find the apex or join the corners of this hexagonal plane. Now here you can see here, if we join all the corners, we get apex O and 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 6 triangular faces. 6 triangular faces we get in the top view. Now mark a center line or axis of this pyramid and mark axis height 75 mm. 75 mm is the axis height. This is O dash. This is O dash. Now project all the points on XY line. Now here, if you look this object from front, so OA, OB, OC, OD, these four edges are visible. But OF and OE, these edges are not visible from the front. But OB and OC, they are at the front side and OE and OF, they are the back side. Now give the naming. This is A dash, B dash, C dash, E dash, and F dash. Join O dash, T dash by using thick line. Join O dash, C dash using thick line. This is the front view of this hexagonal pyramid. Now show the center line. This is center. This is the top view. This is the top view, and this is the front view of this hexagonal pyramid. Now for development, draw a line passing through O dash, thin line. This line is parallel to the XY. Now adjust a ruler along the inclined edge of this pyramid and draw a line parallel to the O dash, D dash. This is O, this is A. Now take a compass and take this O to A distance in a compass. This is the radius distance, and mark a arc. Now divide this arc into 6 equal segments, and for that measure this edge distance. Hexagonal pyramid edge distance. This is 30 mm. Now mark a 6 arc. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and 6. Now give the naming. This is A, B, C, D, E, F, and A. Now when you cut this pyramid from OA, we get this development. Now join OB, OC, OE, and OA. Now here you can see here this AB, BC, CD, DE, EF, and FA. These are the straight lines. So join AB, BC, CD, EF, A by using a straight line. Join AB, BC, this is the development of hexagonal pyramid. Now show the dimensions. So the base edge distance is 30 mm and axis height is 75 mm. This is a complete solution for this problem. If you found this lecture helpful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe the channel. See you in the next lecture. Thank you for watching this video.